Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CELZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis several times last week, but just what an absolutely beautiful thing as a chartist, as somebody that uses charts. This just brings a tear to my eye. I mean, true beauty here. I mean, there's the pullback, and then you can see right there, found some support at that purple line, found some support at the purple line. However, after finding that support, that's where it acted as essentially a trampoline, and up it went. And I realize that means a little bit more to those of you that have watched the past videos, but if you have, you've heard me talk about that purple line time and time again. I've probably annoyed you with it, but that is exactly why, because in the world of charts, that is definitely a level that needs to be paid attention to for that reason. So great to see that that level did indeed hold as support. And, from a big picture point of view, that continues to be the overall level to just gauge the health of the move. This right here being, the overall move, meaning as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control of the overall chart. Now, ideally speaking, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can stay up above this level right here at 0.06, so if it can stay above 6 cents, that would be best case scenario. But again, for the reasons discussed, it's not like if the price falls below it, the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. On the flip side, we definitely got confirmation today of where, kind of that very stubborn level is and where the sellers are very clearly currently hanging out. And that level is right up here at 7 cents. I realized today the price didn't quite hit it, but I think we can all agree the price got pretty close before pulling back, and that's right where the level, did ultimately pull back. So right here, you can see that was the high from last week. And then, earlier, late morning, early afternoon, whatever you want to call it, you can see the price was flirting with that general area up there and couldn't quite push through it. So 7 cents, without question, is public enemy number one. All in all, though, absolutely beautiful move, like I said. The overall uptrend continues, and like I said and will continue to say, the bulls are in full control as long as the price stays above that purple line. So let's see how the week plays out. Still plenty of days left. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.